Welcome back, dolls and dudes, and if you're new here, welcome inside. If you're interested in seeing how I performed open heart surgery on my 1.5-year-old dusty Italian curly wig and brought this baby back to life, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, I suck at voiceover, so just bear with me, alright? The things you will need are gloves, which is optional, alcohol, a rag or a small towel, detangling cream, silicone shampoo, silicone conditioner, wig head pins, come on, plastic bin, what else, and a detangling brush. So the first step is to successfully and gently remove all of the built-up product, glue, and makeup on your lace. To do so, you'll have to boil a small pot of hot water, boiling hot water, and submerge your lace into this water for 5 minutes. You can do 10 minutes, but I did 5 because I was scared that we were gonna melt the lace, and this wig was not cheap, honey child. Once the timer goes off, go ahead and drain that water out and take a look at your lace. You'll see that the glue is super soft and easy to peel off. You can peel it off just with your fingers, but no, this is where the alcohol comes in. I would suggest getting the highest percentage of alcohol if you're running low on time to skip the boiling step. The boiling step helps remove glue that has built up probably for if you had the wig sitting for a very long time or you use a lot of glue. The boiling method will help loosen up the glue more than the alcohol can. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and start wiping the lace gently. Don't rip your lace. Don't go telling people I tell you to rip your lace because we never tell you to do that, okay? Gently wipe your lace to get the residue of lace glue off of your lace. These voiceovers are not for me. Y'all see what I'm doing. Once we've got our lace completely clean, you want to go ahead and put that on your wig head. Oh, I forgot to put this in the things that you need. A wig head. It's optional. You don't need a wig head. I'm an extra. You want to go ahead and put your wig on your wig head stand and start putting those wig head pins in the lace to keep your lace in place. So now we're moving on to detangling, which is the most tedious, the hardest, and the most time-consuming part of it all. But this is where you want to be extremely gentle. Not only do wigs bald over time, which I was not aware, especially if you wear them more than once, but you want to minimize the amount of hair that you lose while detangling so the wig can still look full. I've only worn this wig once with one touch-up, and it was extremely matted while I was detangling. So I tried to detangle in the smallest sections as possible, but I still lost a lot of hair. So just be mindful of that. To detangle, I'm using my Shea Moisture Detangling Curling Cream. I suggest using a curling cream while you're doing this and don't detangle on the dry hair because then you'll be ripping the hair out and you will regret it in the end. Trust me. Start from the bottom to the top as you would on real hair and work your way up to the middle, all the way up to the root of the wig and back down again. If your wig is extremely matted at the top like mine, you want to go ahead and take a spray bottle and spray it with water, dampen the hair just to loosen up the strands, and then finger detangle. Do not go straight in with your detangling brush. Finger detangle, and after doing that, then you can go ahead with the brush and detangle the top. Once your arms have fallen off from detangling, your wig should look like this. I mentioned that over time wigs go bald or they begin to bald after a certain amount of wears. This is what I meant. Unfortunately, I've only worn this wig once with one touch-up, so I'm really shocked as to see such a big bald spot. Fortunately for us material girls, YouTube University has a lot of videos on how to fix this. The second to last step, which is as crucial as the detangling, is deep cleaning your wig. Boil another pot of water, add deep conditioner or regular conditioner, add a couple drops of oil, that's up to you. I didn't have any oil, so I didn't add any. but the oil should bring back luster and shine into the hair. And dip your wig into this mix. When dipping, you want to make sure you're pulling the wig back out and brushing it down to avoid it tangling again. My bin was not that big, so if you just drop it in there and pick it back up, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be tangled. So just brush it out, dip, brush it out, dip, and lay it into the water and press down, just like you see me doing here. Set a timer for 10 minutes, and when it goes off, go back and look at our water. Go look at our water. You see that? Nasty, dirty. Imagine you don't deep clean your wig and you just detangle it, wash it, and slap it on your head. Next thing you know, you're breaking out all of your face and wondering why. Deep condition and clean your motherfucking wig. Deep clean your wig, please. Do not skip this step. Now the last and final steps are to wash and condition your wig with that silicone shampoo. You don't have to use specifically the silicone shampoo and conditioner brand. This is just the one that I use and recommend, and I have been recommended to me by many stylists. Once you're finished shampooing and conditioning your wig, you can go ahead and add a curling cream or curl defining cream to your wig, just so when the hair dries, the curls are more defined and luscious and juicy. I use the same cream by Shea Moisture that I use in the beginning to detangle. I use this product on my natural hair as well with my wash and goes, and it smells amazing. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, even with me taking my time and detangling, because the wig was so matted and dry, I lost a lot of hair, a significant amount of hair from the wig, and I thought it was going to look sparse. But once the hair dried, it still looked luscious and full. As you can see here, boom, baby, look at that. Look at that wig. Now tell me and dig that up out of the grave and revive it.